Taking great travel photos isn't just about having a fancy camera. It's about knowing how to plan and use the right techniques. With a little effort, you can turn ordinary snapshots into incredible pictures that tell the story of your travels. Let's dive into some simple tips and tricks to help you capture amazing travel photos. The first step in travel photography is planning ahead. Before you even start clicking pictures, it's a good idea to scout your location. Try to arrive early, especially during the golden hour. This is the time shortly after sunrise or before sunset when the sunlight is soft, warm, and golden. It's the perfect time to take photos because it makes everything look magical. Landscapes glow, colors pop, and shadows are softer. For example, a photo of a beach at sunrise will look completely different, with beautiful golden hues, compared to a picture taken during the middle of the day when the sun is harsh and bright. Planning your timing and location ensures you'll have the best conditions for taking amazing shots. How you frame your photo is just as important. This is called composition, and one of the easiest techniques to improve your photos is using the rule of thirds. Imagine your photo divided into 9 equal parts by 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines, like a grid. Now, instead of putting your subject in the center of the frame, place it along one of these lines or where the lines intersect. This creates a more balanced and interesting image. For example, if you're taking a picture of a lighthouse, place it on the right or left third of the photo instead of in the middle. It feels more natural and catches the viewer's eye. But don't stop there. Try experimenting with different angles. Get down low to the ground for a unique perspective, or climb to a higher spot to take a bird's eye view. Sometimes, looking at something from a different angle can make it feel fresh and exciting. Another important tip is to adjust your camera settings to match what you're trying to capture. If you want to make your subject stand out, try adjusting the aperture. A wide aperture, which is represented by a smaller f number, like f/2.8, will blur the background while keeping your subject in sharp focus. This is especially great for portraits or close-up shots. Don't worry if you're not using a professional camera. Most smartphones these days allow you to adjust settings like aperture or use a portrait mode for a similar effect. When it comes to lighting, remember that natural light is your best friend. Avoid taking photos during the middle of the day because the sun is high and creates harsh shadows. Instead, look for shaded areas or wait for softer light later in the day to take your pictures. The softer the light, the more flattering your photos will be. One of the most fun parts of travel photography is capturing candid moments. Not every photo needs to be perfectly posed or planned. Some of the best shots happen when you're least expecting them. Imagine catching the laughter of a local vendor at a marketplace, or the excitement on a child's face while playing in the street. These unplanned moments show the real beauty of travel, the emotions, the interactions, and the culture. So don't be afraid to snap pictures of people, places, or events as they naturally happen. These candid shots often tell a more personal and heartfelt story than a posed photo ever could. Finally, remember that travel photography is not about perfection. It's about capturing the essence of your journey. Whether it's a breathtaking mountain view, the vibrant colors of a street market, or a quiet moment by the sea, every photo has a story to tell. By scouting your location, mastering your composition, playing with camera settings, and embracing candid moments, you can create a collection of photos that not only look great, but also hold special memories. So the next time you travel, grab your camera or smartphone and try these tips. With a little practice and creativity, you'll be able to capture stunning photos that make your adventures unforgettable. Happy shooting!